so you can see it. Pour a little bit in. We get that typical fizzing. Good morning, everyone. We have a really cool unit for us this week. We're going to be exploring everything to do with carbon dioxide, an extremely important compound, probably even more than you know. So to start, we got a cool experiment that you can try at home. So all you need for this experiment, you need any kind of candle. Really any candle works. You need some baking soda. Any kind of vinegar. I found apple cider vinegar, so that'll work fine. And then you just need a way to light the candle. That's it. So first of all, I'm just going to light the candle, do a simple experiment to start that you guys have probably always done. So I just lit this candle. You can kind of see it right here burning. And you guys probably always know that a candle needs oxygen to burn. So if I was going to take some sort of bowl and place it over, slowly the candle is going to go out because it has no more oxygen to burn. So here's another little trick that's actually a little cooler. So I'm going to light it again. You can see my candle's lit right here. Then I'm going to take a cup. I'm going to put a little baking soda right in the cup, like you can see right here. And then I'm going to put a little bit of the vinegar in the baking soda. You've all done this before. When baking soda reacts with vinegar, it creates water and carbon dioxide gas. Carbon dioxide gas is not flammable. It's also heavier than air. So I'm going to pour some of the vinegar into the baking soda. I'm going to try to trap the gas inside this cup, and then I'm going to pour it right onto my candle and see if I can extinguish the flame. So let's give it a try. So I'll put it up here so you can see it. Pour a little bit in. We get that typical fizzing. Then I'm going to try to pour it right onto the candle. And you can see that the candle went right out. Really cool. I mean, who would think that just a simple reaction like this could create carbon dioxide gas that's heavier than air that can extinguish a candle? In our unit this week, we're going to explore how carbon dioxide is used in a lot of different applications. So give this a try at home. Good luck and have fun.